Since the beginning of time, human beings have stared up at the night sky, asking the same question: are we alone? This question is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, pondered the possibility of life beyond their world. With each generation, we've crafted myths, stories, and philosophical theories. And now, in the modern era, it has evolved into a scientific quest, a quest driven by our insatiable desire to understand the cosmos, not just as a place where we exist, but as a place that might harbor other forms of existence. This question isn't just abstract wonderment. It defines us. It propels us. It ignites our most audacious dreams, dreams that have now entered the realm of science. But even with our most advanced tools, massive telescopes, spacecraft traveling to distant planets, and years of research, the answer still eludes us. Perhaps we are not looking in the right places, or maybe we're looking in the wrong ways. And this is where a revolutionary ally comes in: artificial intelligence. Not a futuristic being, nor a digital consciousness, but a tool, a powerful, non-biological mind that can sift through unimaginable quantities of data, recognize patterns we cannot, and ask questions we hadn't even thought to ask. It's this very tool, AI, that holds the potential to take us deeper into the heart of the search for life beyond our own planet. When we stand on Earth and look at the sky, we see beauty. But what we often fail to comprehend is the sheer vastness of that beauty. Take our Milky Way galaxy. In one corner of the universe, it contains over 100 billion stars, each one potentially home to planets of its own. And of those stars, many likely have planets in their habitable zones, the sweet spot where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. Water, as we know, is crucial to life as we understand it. Now, imagine the number of planets that exist within this sweet spot. And keep in mind that there are billions of galaxies scattered across the universe. The numbers are staggering. And yet, despite all of this potential, we've found no definitive evidence of life beyond Earth. Not yet. Why? Because the universe is not only vast, it's incredibly complex. Every day, new discoveries are made, but each one brings new questions. Our tools, our telescopes, our rovers, our space probes, are simply too small in comparison to the enormity of what they are trying to study. We are confronted with a data problem, a flood of information, too much for even the most brilliant human minds to process efficiently. And this is where AI is changing the game. AI isn't just a tool that helps us process more data. It transforms the way we approach the unknown. AI is not a replacement for human curiosity, but rather an extension of it. It doesn't have the dreams or hopes we do, but it does have the ability to analyze patterns on a scale no human could ever replicate. In the field of exoplanet discovery, AI has already revolutionized the search. In the past, identifying a planet required painstaking observations and meticulous manual work. It involved watching a star's light for the faintest flicker as a planet passed in front of it, blocking some of the light. These transits are incredibly subtle, so subtle, in fact, that they were often missed by human observers. But with AI, this process is no longer slow and cumbersome. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets from space telescopes in real time, detecting tiny dips in starlight that would take human eyes months, even years, to detect. More than this, AI can learn from past data. It can recognize the characteristics of known planets and apply this knowledge to new data, identifying new planets faster, more accurately, and more efficiently. This amplification of our observational powers allows us to spot planets where life may exist with a level of precision and speed that was once unimaginable. But detecting planets is only the first step. Once we've found them, the next great challenge is discerning whether they are alive or could ever host life. Life, as we know it, leaves behind chemical traces, signatures that can be detected even from billions of miles away. These are called biosignatures, gases like oxygen, methane, and water vapor that are often associated with biological activity. However, spotting these signs in the light of distant stars is not a simple task. The light we see from distant exoplanets is often blurred, distorted by the vast distances it has traveled, and mixed with the complex chemical signatures of interstellar space. This is where AI's power truly shines. AI is capable of analyzing this chemical light in ways we simply cannot. By training neural networks on vast amounts of known data, AI can identify and separate out chemical signatures that point to life, even in the most complicated and noisy spectra. But that's not all. AI can generate models of alien atmospheres and simulate how different forms of life might affect a planet's chemistry. In doing so, AI helps us consider possibilities we may not have imagined. Could life exist in atmospheres rich in hydrogen, methane, or even something entirely unfamiliar to us? This process doesn't just help us find life as we know it. It forces us to redefine life itself. For decades, humanity has also been searching for technosignatures, evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. We've been listening for radio signals, laser pulses, or even searching for other forms of communication that might be beyond our current comprehension. In the past, we've relied on traditional radio telescopes to scan the stars. But the universe is filled with background noise. Human interference, natural cosmic events, and even the noise generated by our own planet makes it difficult to hear any faint signals that may be out there. AI, however, is capable of filtering through this noise. Using machine learning, AI can analyze radio waves more accurately than ever before, identifying patterns that might represent signals from an intelligent source. It can also identify anomalies, signals that don't fit any known source, which could be the first whispers of an alien civilization reaching out. It doesn't stop there. AI can be trained to recognize unusual energy bursts or structured signals that we might have dismissed in the past. What seems like static to us might actually be the first sign of contact. What if life is not as we know it? What if it doesn't follow the same biological rules we understand? What if it communicates differently, or exists in forms that don't require oxygen or water? These are the deepest unknowns we must confront. AI, in this context, is not just an observer. It is a creative force, capable of generating new hypotheses, testing new theories, and even imagining alien ecosystems that exist in environments far beyond our own experience. By simulating alien worlds, AI pushes us to think beyond the familiar. It asks questions like, what if life can thrive in extreme conditions, in the freezing vacuum of space, or on planets with toxic atmospheres? What if alien intelligence communicates through light, sound, or even quantum entanglement? AI doesn't just help us search, it redefines the very notion of life. The search for extraterrestrial life is more than just a scientific pursuit. It is a human endeavor, one that defines our place in the universe. We are not just looking outward, we are searching for a connection, for a sense of belonging among the stars. With AI by our side, we are no longer confined to the limitations of our minds or our tools. We are no longer constrained by the vastness of space or the sheer complexity of the data. AI enables us to look deeper, to listen more clearly, and to imagine more broadly than ever before.